And then you are going to adding the no wipe. Okay, but add another drop. Okay, to just dilute it. If you don't want it to completely cover the nails, because I don't want to cover the image from the foil. It transfer really good. So now if you have your long nails, it's gonna transfer like a lot of details on it, because I have a shorter one. So then it show only 2 rows, and this one missing of 1 row here because it was going to be longer. So anyway, it's only a thumb is showing more because it's going down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. So now, because this is no white top, so when you are mixing it up and you apply it on, it's gonna be completely like no wipe after you finish. So I got the luxurious crystal mega charms. If you want to do 1 ring finger here, we can do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and using the no wipe top and top coat it on. Okay, am I under the camera? It looks good under the camera though. Should I do any of crystals on? I'm waiting for
just 1 centerpiece on your ring finger. Both ring fingers.
Should I?
Mm-hmm.
Really simple. I told you today is gonna be really simple design. And if you have a client just want just simple nails and simple chamfer foil, I need it too. And also, if you don't have a disco flash gel, you can definitely be using the no white top coat that it has the silver. I'm gonna show you which one is that. From Glitz Iho, no wipe top too, and it has silver. This one has a little bit of a pinkish, so that's why I want to use that. Looks really good. Oh, I'm gonna top coat this, but I want to put the crystal on shortly. And put all of them just in case you all want to see just simple. Look at that, how simple it is.